Hello friend, today we are going to learn how to add a user in Linux with custom comment section. Okay, so here I am going to add a user add, and the name I am going to hyphen C for comment. In comment you can give the description of your user or whatever you want to read. Suppose I am giving here Vishnu Sharma from Bhilwara. Okay, I give the detail here Vishnu Sharma from Bhilwara, and then I just give the username Vishnu. So I just give the username at the end, and user add hyphen C means create user with comment this one. This is Vishnu Sharma from Bhilwara. This is the comment section, and at the last I type Vishnu. That is the username. You type it. Now you can go to this file cat etc passwd, and you can see the last line. You can see Vishnu user ID 901, group ID 901, and then you can see the Vishnu Sharma from Bhilwara. That is the comment section. So this user is created with this comment section. You can check this also more clearly, like more specific. If you want to check, you can run this command cat /etc /passwd, and then you can use pipe command grep, and you just want to see the Vishnu user details, so you just type grep Vishnu and it would display the output. That's all. Thank you for watching.